In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet forms. First things first, you need to open the target sheet. What is the target sheet, you might ask? Well, it's simply the specific sheet where you plan to store all the responses collected through your form. This is an essential step because your form is linked directly to this sheet, ensuring that all the data is organized correctly and efficiently. Once you have your target sheet open and ready, the next step is to launch the form builder. To do this, you'll want to navigate to the top menu, find the Forms option, and click on Create Form. This action will open the form builder for you, and, conveniently, it will automatically include all your existing non-system columns from your sheet as potential fields in the form. This is a great time saver and means you have a solid starting point for your form structure. Now that you have your form builder open, it's time for the fun part, customization. Here, you have the freedom to reorder, add, or remove fields as you see fit. Need to change a field label? No problem. You can also set helpful text guidelines, modify the visibility of each field, and choose whether a field is required for submission. Another powerful feature is the ability to add conditional logic. This means you can set up your form to show or hide specific fields based on the responses given, allowing for a more tailored and responsive form experience. If you'd like to go a step further in personalizing your form, you can move on to styling it. Although this step is optional, it can add a professional touch to your form. You can apply background colors or images that align with your brand identity. Uploading logos and adjusting other branding elements will provide consistency in your visual presentation, making your form look sleek and inviting. With your form customized and styled to your liking, it's time to save your work. Hitting that Save button is crucial to ensure all of your changes are preserved. Once saved, you can opt for Open Form to preview and test how it works from the end user's perspective. This is a handy opportunity to ensure everything behaves as you intended before sharing it with a broader audience. Now, to get the form out there, click on Share Form. Here you have several options. You can choose to email it directly, generate a link for convenient sharing, embed it within a web page, or even place it as a widget in a dashboard. These sharing options enable you to reach your audience in the way that's most effective for your particular needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully create, customize, and share a Smartsheet form, ensuring you collect the information you need in an organized and professional manner. Thanks for joining me today, and happy form building!